Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of the video we made concerning Alacrity'S.net. If you have not watched them, you go pick them, check our playlist and try to go through it so that you can be following and you get proper understanding of what we are talking about. This video is going to be a little bit lengthy because we'll be discussing issues in details. If you have not subscribed to our channel, I want to plead with you to try and subscribe so that you will be in picture of what we are doing, and when videos like this are released, you get to know the next action to take. If you follow the previous videos and you're able to log into Alacrity'S.net, you'll be exactly in this page where we are. And from this page, if you have logged in properly according to the way I showed you there, you should be able to access the Dapp that we'll be discussing today. As I told you, that Dapp is called Kompwnd. You'll be able to access the Dapp right from this area. You'll be able to access that Dapp. And that is a Dapp that can quickly make you money without waste of time. You begin to earn 1% of your investment daily for 200 days on that Dapp. It is a smart contract. So we'll go there straight and we'll be locating where you see Dapps, and then you scroll up until you see Kompwnd. This is Kompwnd. So here in Kompwnd, we need to just click on the Kompwnd itself for us to go to the next page. So if you click on Kompwnd, we'll be directed to where the website is already talking about what Kompwnd is all about. Kompwnd is a smart contract. It's a smart contract-based investment protocol that empowers 1% daily dividend to 365% annual profit yield. It allows unlimited compounding to beat price volatility and make Kompwnd a stable passive earning platform. It is stable. I've not done an online business that I'm so sure, and I can tell you that go and get involved because this smart contract is immutable. Even the creators are out of it. They equally buy the Kompwnd as well. There's nothing you can change here. And so it's a business you can live for your children, and your children can live for their children, and their children can live for their children. We are talking about a business that is going to last the next 100 to 200 years. That means even if you're not here, Kompwnd will still be moving. So we'll click on where you see Kompwnd.io and we'll be launching straight to the Kompwnd dashboard. This is Kompwnd dashboard. Let me walk you through the Kompwnd dashboard where I will show you what you need to know. Here in Kompwnd, your wallet address is your username. As you can see here, my username, which is fsolution, that is my wallet address. If I need to send something to you or you need to send something to me, that's what we'll be using here. And Here you find the amount and the available amount. You are seeing this place empty because we have invested what we have, and I will show you where it's running. So if you go up, you will notice that you see claim, roll. Those are two specific things that will be happening here. You have to claim, roll, deposit, withdraw. So we'll take it one after the other. So if you click on here, let's expand it to see what happens here. This is the dividend that is accrued to you within your wallet. And you can see it's being divided into two. As you can see here, it's divided into two by a line here. This area is 1% of your total investment. 1%. And here is the daily dividend that is being paid to you from when you started investing. Is what is accumulating here. Is accumulation of your daily dividend. You will see the dates of the transactions. They are listed here. And that is it for claim and roll. So on deposit here shows you what you have deposited. As you can see, we deposited 3,689 KPW, which is very small money. If you deposit up to 1 million KPW, it will be a great start for you. We'll be doing that after this video or in another account of ours. You can have more than one account in the KPW. As I told you, it is a smart contract. It is immutable. It is unique. It is the first return on investment. Smart contract is the first return on investment smart contract that is built on the world's fastest and simplified blockchain, the Alacrity'S blockchain. So, like I said initially, Kompwnd is a transparent smart contract, and the native token for Kompwnd is KPW. Kompwnd is not a blockchain on its own. It is running on the blockchain that is called Alacrity'S.net. Kompwnd is beautiful to be with. It's already raising millionaires. I can tell you people are making serious money here. Kompwnd is the only smart contract regulated project, while Alacrity is the body that is hosting Kompwnd. So Kompwnd is on Alacrity'S.net. Now below here, you will see claim, and you will see referrals match. This is our demo account, and we're using it to teach. So when you have up to $40 here, at any point in time that this value reaches $40, you'll be able to claim or roll. That is, claim here or roll here. Two things will happen. So if you claim, your KPW will now appear where your wallet is. KPW will appear here. If you claim, KPW will appear here, where you see the value of KPW here. This is where it will appear. If you roll, KPW will appear here as an addition to your existing investment. That means you have rolled. It will come back here. But in case you claim, you can withdraw what is on claim. What you have claimed is what you can withdraw. What you have rolled will be burnt off and minted again for you. When you have referrals, there is what they call referral match. We'll be talking about that in another video. How you can make money apart from your investment or your stake. How else you can make money apart from your stake, which is through referrals. You see referral match. So whatever your referral gives you or you make from referrals, you can equally claim and withdraw or roll and reinvest. Your team will begin to show up here. In this account, we don't have any team members yet. Your team will show up here. And here where you see max payout, max payout. Max payout here means for this investment that you have done, which is this, the total KPW you are going to earn as a maximum payout after 200 days will be this. So you will see that your KPW is already doubled. So that's what you'll be getting. Now, in the business of KPW, which is interwoven with Alacrity'S.net, as I said initially, Alacrity'S.net have a lot of opportunities that you as an investor will benefit from. For instance, you are privileged to govern a blockchain because it operates a delegated proof of stake. You can become a governor within the blockchain. You can build your own token. If you have an idea that you really need a token, you can create a token within the Alacrity's blockchain. You can build your Ethereum portfolio. You can beat inflation and coin volatility. If you are a programmer, you have an advantage to sell your skill and benefit from it. You equally have opportunity for people who have skills like freelancers to sell their skill within the blockchain. So Kompwnd itself is a business that if you start it, you'll be happy because the business is immutable. It's a business that you can transfer to your children, and your children can transfer to their children, and their children can transfer to their children. It's a business that we are looking at that in the next 50 years, 100 years, Kompwnd will still be around. These smart contracts are immutable. I have a presentation that I have made. I will upload the video. You get to look at it, where I'll show you the workabilities of the way the compound KPW is being utilized within the system, to show you how sustainable this system is. I used to tell my friends, I said, look, Compound is disruptive in the Web3 protocol because of the way it is configured to operate. Like I said initially, decentralized businesses is the way forward. You will not have time to rely totally on all these centralized businesses because they are going to fail you. Some couple of months back, when I checked Bloomberg, I saw a headline that caught my attention. If you know of a company called BlackRock, they say they lost 1.7 trillion in 6 months. BlackRock is one of the world highest hedge fund in the world. They lost 1.7 trillion in 6 months. People money. In short, it is the first hedge fund to have declared 10 trillion as their holdings. No company in the world. 10 trillion. Why the loss? Because of the economic turndown, inflation, volatility, wrong investment. And let me tell you the truth. Before you put your fund in that hedge fund, you have to sign a contract. You have to agree to the terms and conditions. And let me tell you, within the contract you're signing, they put in a LPOA, a limited power of an attorney. It's hidden there. You sign it. And when you sign it, you know that when events get bad like this, they can't give you your money all. You have to forfeit some for them. That is why I said decentralized exchange or decentralized businesses is the way to go. The world is moving towards decentralized finance, and that is how it's going to be. So, what happened to BlackRock is a lesson to us that it's high time we start turning. Even if you want to invest in a centralized business where you have COO, CEO, CFO, all the OOOs that are managing your money, you need to keep something with them that you can afford to lose. But in a decentralized business, the control of your funds is within your power. No one controls your funds for you. You do that. So that is what happens there. Now, in Compound, let me just give you a brief walk down how it's supposed to work. So in Compound, you are expected to invest your money, and the investment, everything from the beginning to the end, is done by you. You have to fund your wallet in Alacrity'S.net with their ALAIO coin. After funding it, you have to credit your Compound wallet. which I showed you here. When you credit, it will appear here. To appear here. And when it appears there, you can now deposit it. You click deposit. You come here and type the amount you want to deposit. Let's say, for instance, we want to deposit 1 million KPW. So 1 million KPW, as at the time we are making this video, will be $2,116. 1 million KPW. That is what you are supposed to have. So you need to have that value here for you to be able, you need to have that value here for you to be able to do that transaction. So immediately you have the money there and you type in what you want to invest, you come here and click deposit. And immediately you hit deposit, your currency, your KPW, is transferred to this place here. And immediately you see this figure here, will increase. It will calculate, system will calculate 1% of what is here and put it here. And the dividend, 1% of it, begin to count daily on this other area for you until your price of your accumulated KPW is able to hit $40 here. At any point in time you hit $40, you can either take it or you roll. We'll be launching other videos where we show you how to withdraw and how to build your Ethereum portfolio from here. You can withdraw your KPW and convert it straight to Ethereum here and send to your Ethereum wallet, either in a centralized exchange or in a decentralized exchange or in your private wallet. You can do that. So, like I said initially, Kompwnd is a transparent smart contract project and it has a native token called the KPW. It is the first unique return on investment smart contract project built on the world's fastest and simplified blockchain, the Alacrity'S.net. People are not too aware that there's a blockchain like this. And do you know what? If you go and check the history of Alacrity, Alacrity's have been here far back as long as 2017. Alacrity started evolving from one point to another to where it is. By the time the ALAIO coin is being launched on other exchanges or CoinMarketCap, it's already in CoinMarketCap, maybe on other exchanges, the price is expected to go up. So now is the right time to go in and make millions out of it. In my previous video that I made about the businesses or the coin we missed, you will not believe that as at 2011, if you had invested $10 in BTC, you would have been having 10 BTC and you would have been a multi-billionaire with $10. So that's the power of the crypto. Wealth is being distributed. We cannot afford to be ignorant. We need to get this knowledge and get out of the slum, because millionaires are emerging even from the slum, from crypto. I like to always say that in crypto, the first thing to do there is get the knowledge before you make the money. It's very important. So Alacrity's.net is the host of the Kompwnd tabs. So everything that you do in Kompwnd will reflect in Alacrity's. As I told you in our previous video, if you go and check your transaction history, you notice that all that you are doing in Alacrity's here is recorded in, all they are doing in Kompwnd.io is recorded in Alacrity's.net. So that is it for Kompwnd and Alacrity's.net. The decentralized economy is just the way forward. There is no going back to it. We'll get to a time that even those that want to come and scam you, they will not be able to scam you because they don't have a choice. When you make up your mind that you are not going to do any business that is not decentralized, you need to take 100% control of your own finances by doing Alacrity's business. Take it as an important business to you that you can live for your children and your children can live for their children, and the generational wealth continue to increase. Thank you for watching. I will drop another video on other things you can do within the compound, including how to withdraw, how to set up your account, how to log out from your account, all that you need to know, the ins and outs of Alacrity's.net and Kompwnd.io. I will create a playlist. You check the playlist, you should be able to get everything that you want within the playlist. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for learning and deciding to learn what is the trend. I am here to give you the informations I have to help you grow your finances, to help you get better. Let's keep this team robust. As you watch this video, like it, click on the notification button so that when another one is released, you will be the first to know about what we are doing. Subscribe, send it to your friend, send it to your family, let them watch and be aware of the trend and how we can live the centralized kind of business we are trying to do online and go decentralized. If you check, you will notice that Bitcoin has remained the greatest cryptocurrency you can ever think of. Why? It's completely decentralized. You cannot manipulate it. It is being controlled by market forces. And that is exactly what Kompwnd.io has copied. Thank you for watching and bye for now.